Why zinc? Zinc is economical. It allows for thinner wall sections, smoother surfaces, and can be processed with tighter tolerances. Here at PDC, we are a dedicated, experienced team that confidently delivers high-volume production without compromising precision. Our qualified staff boasts 35 years of experience in specialty die casting. By specializing in producing high-volume zinc die-cast components, from the minute up to 5 pounds, you can find a team ready to invest in your success. We go the extra mile and collaborate with you to improve your product design for a superior result. PDC is equipped to serve medium to large volume contracts and is right-sized to offer personal attention to your questions and concerns, providing continuity throughout the process for every order, today and in the future. With 14 machines running cycles capable of exceeding 30 per minute, our multi-slide die casting is a cost-effective process, producing net-shaped components with outstanding tight tolerances. Techmeyer models 22, 44, and 66 produce parts up to half a pound, and Freck machines produce parts up to 5 pounds, with raw material locally sourced for truly made in the USA. We utilize a proprietary and reliable multi-slide casting process and lean manufacturing techniques. Precision die cast consistently meets 95% uptime efficiency. This translates to castings that are on time, every time, and can meet tolerances of 1/1000th of an inch with no trimming and, in most cases, no machining required. The people of Precision Die Cast, based in Michigan, strive to maintain a clean, productive, and professional environment. Our workmanship and company culture is based on creativity that encourages diversity, new ideas, and hard work with the ultimate goal of total customer satisfaction. Contact us today for your Precision Die Cast quote.